Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting new video for you. So, let's dive into the topic. You may not be able to see it now, but building a secure financial future doesn't just take discipline and patience. It also takes planning. But how do you plan if you don't know where you're heading? To build your savings and reach your long-term goals, you need a strategy that will help you manage your money effectively. A savings strategy is one of the most important pieces of the puzzle because it has so much influence on everything else. Why you need a savings strategy? If you're like most people, you're probably saving a lot less than you should. You're probably not saving nearly enough to remain financially secure for your retirement, and you may even be putting your economic future at risk. If you don't build enough savings to cover retirement, you could eventually end up job hunting when you're older. That's not a scenario most people would want to experience. The good news is that you don't have to be financially insecure in your retirement. You just need a savings strategy that will help you reach your savings goals. If you fail to save for retirement, you could end up out of work and without a source of income. This can be a scary situation because you may not know how you will survive if you suddenly lose your job. You could end up having to rely on the government for support and have to start receiving Social Security payments at age 65. You could also end if you end up in a forced early retirement. Both of these scenarios could cause you major financial stress. Here are some examples of good savings strategies. Regular payments. You don't have much time to grow your money. The average American sees just 6% returns on their savings. If you don't start saving early, you could miss out on this incredible rate of return. So, start saving as soon as you get your first paycheck. You'll get the biggest return if you start at 18 years old and keep the same monthly amount until you're 60. If you can, set up automatic deposits to ensure you don't miss a single payment. Investing in stocks and bond funds. In order to reach your savings goals, you need to invest your money in assets that produce high returns. You can't just deposit your money in a savings account. You need to make sure it's being placed in an investment that will help you reach your savings goals. There are high-yield savings accounts that don't offer any sort of return on your money. To reach your savings goals, you need to invest your money in high-yield investments that will provide a decent return. What's more, investing in stocks and bond funds may seem like a complicated process, but it doesn't have to be. Many websites and apps make it extremely easy to invest your money. Some of the most popular options include Betterment, Wealthsimple, and Vanguard. With these options, you can invest your money in an extremely wide range of portfolios that include funds such as real estate, precious metals, and hedge funds. Investing in a 401. If you have access to a 401, your employer may be willing to match some of your contributions. This means that you contribute a certain amount and then your employer adds another percentage. This is a fantastic way to boost your savings and increase your retirement savings. Here are some examples of bad savings strategies. 1. Debt. If you have any debt, it will severely impede your savings. If you have a mortgage or student loans, you're not able to put any money into your savings account. Instead, you have to pay back the debt. 2. Low interest savings. If you want to make the most amount of progress with your savings, you need to make sure that you're putting your money in the right places. Low interest savings accounts can provide very little return on your money. You'll make more progress if you put your money in high-yield investments. 3. Paying off your credit card's balance each month. Interest on credit cards can be extremely high. The average APR is around 18%. That means that you could be paying over $400 in interest every year on your credit card balance. This is a terrible way to build your savings. Instead, make sure that you pay off your card each month so that you don't incur any interest payments. 4. Inadequate pension. Many people underestimate the impact that a poor savings strategy could have on their long-term financial security. This is particularly true for those who are approaching retirement. If you're not saving enough for your retirement, you may end up in a forced early retirement. This could result in you having to search for a new job that doesn't have the same level of pay. This could result in a much lower standard of living. Now let's know how to develop a good savings strategy. Get serious. The best way to develop a good savings strategy is to get serious about saving. The best way to do this is by creating a savings plan and sticking to it. Track your spending. You need to make sure that you're tracking your expenses so that you can identify where you can make the most progress with your savings plan. This will help you get the most out of your spending and identify areas where you can make the most progress with your savings. Create a written savings plan. Once you've identified where you need to make the most progress, you can create a savings plan that focuses on reaching your savings goals. This will help you identify the best way to reach your savings goals. Make saving easy. The easiest way to make saving easy is to make saving a daily occurrence. A daily savings plan will help you make saving a daily habit, which will make it much easier to reach your savings goals. Diversify your investments. Diversifying your investments will help you get the most out of your savings. This is because it allows you to spread your money out across a wide range of different investments. This will help you get the most out of your savings. Use savings to get out of debt. If you want to make the most progress with your savings, you need to make sure that you're using savings to get out of debt. This will help you make the most progress with your savings because you'll be breaking free from debt. The 3 most important things in a savings strategy are 1. Consistency, 2. Diversification, and 3. Long-term focus. Benefits of doubling your savings. It keeps your bank account. Double your savings in just 2 years and you'll be able to retire twice as early, twice as comfortably, and twice as well. It provides a safety net. If you should lose your job, doubling your savings will provide you with a safety net that will help you get back on your feet. It helps you alleviate financial stress. It helps you reach your savings goals. If you want to reach your savings goals and double your savings, you'll need to get serious about saving every single month. It's a great way to get serious about saving every single month. It provides a future source of income. Conclusion: a savings strategy is one of the most important parts of your financial plan. It's crucial to have enough savings for retirement and emergencies. A savings strategy can also help you reach your long-term financial goals, such as buying a home, car, or investments. You can build your savings strategy by considering the following factors. Thanks for watching. We hope you found our video helpful in your journey to financial freedom. Remember, financial success is achievable when you have the right mindset. Stay up to date with us and keep on learning. Subscribe now and start your journey to financial freedom today.